One of the most awaited new SUVs to be launched this year is the all-new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. The latest generation, known as the Series 250 in Toyota's language. The all-new Prado is longer, wider, 20 mm taller than the model it replaces. Note that the height figures don't include the roof rails. Toyota's new SUV was also given a low Callan belt line to improve visibility. The all-new Prado rides on a 2,850 mm wheelbase. This is 60 mm greater between axles than its predecessor. Most variants of the all-new Prado are expected to get larger diameter tires. The new Land Cruiser, for its part, packs a hybridized 2.4-liter four-cylinder shared across a wide range of models including the new Tacoma. 2024 Land Cruiser will have 8-speed gearbox. 2020 Prado's most popular engine is the 4.0-liter V6. It was standard paired to a 5-speed automatic gearbox. The all-new Series 250 Prado features boxy styling with design elements inspired by other rugged Land Cruisers like the Series 70 as well as the older Series 60 and Series 40. This is a huge departure from the rounded outgoing Series 150 Prado, which was essentially a junior version of the comfort-oriented Land Cruiser. Although not present on the prototype, options like a moonroof, roof rails and 20-inch alloy wheels. The new Toyota four-wheel drive SUV adopts the TNGA-F platform also used by its Lexus GX twin, the larger Land Cruiser Series 300, and the Lexus LX. The all-new Prado retains the independent front double wishbone suspension and coil-sprung multi-link solid axle setup of its predecessor. The all-new Prado will be offered in 5-seater and 7-seater layouts. The all-new Prado's 4-cylinder-only engine lineup ranges from a 161 horsepower naturally aspirated 2.7-liter gasoline mill all the way up to a 326 horsepower 2.4-liter turbo hybrid. The latter is sadly reserved for North America and China. If it were to be sold here, what engine options could we get? My guess, the familiar 201 horsepower 2.8-liter turbo diesel and probably the 277 horsepower turbo 4 gasoline unit.